A really pleasant morning to Honorable Secretary General, Madam President, and delegates present here. Right now, the world is undergoing an unbearable problem which includes natural calamities and global warming introduced to us because of increasing human interactions and its contaminations. A great initiative to resolve this issue can be developing sustainable projects. Still, Madam President, as the representative of Argentina, I would like to tell you that we are not ready to start such a huge project. Madam President, due to high inflation rates, our country is facing financial economic crisis, poverty, and corruption rates are rising day by day. Moreover, our long-lasting forest fires, volcanic activities, and floods use a lot of finance to get resolved. Even Russia, Ukraine, and Middle East wars have raised global inflations and racism. The devastations due to natural calamities are getting unbearable. Still, Madam President, I would say that this project should be passed once, but only then when every nation, every country will be able to do so. I'm really thankful to you, Madam President, for giving me such a great opportunity to disambiguate my point of view. Muchas gracias.
Silence! I thank the distinguished representative of Argentina. I now give the floor to the distinguished representative of Canada.
Honorable Secretary General, Madam President, and all the delegates assembled here. A very good morning to all of you. Today I am going to share the view of my country Canada to the whole world about the subject sustainable development. Sustainability means we do not take from the world more than it can provide, and what the world can provide depends on its ability to replenish resources and on human investment on those resources. We can just take, we must also have to give back to the world. So when the technology, industry, politics and economy ensures the same world for the future generation, then we have sustainability. No doubt, sustainable development is a broad idea, but is it only have positive dimensions? Obviously no, there are certain issues that the country Canada and all the developing countries of the world are facing while implementing sustainable development. One of the major issues that the country is facing while implementing SDGs are that it is expensive that can affect the economy of the country. For example, if Canada will suddenly stop using fossil fuels, then the country industries dependent on the fossil fuels would be closed, which ultimately affect the economy of the country. Also, the cost of some renewable energies such as solar energy is costly, although they may save money but over a long term. Another problem that the country is facing while adopting sustainable practices is the limited availability of resources and climatic change. For instance, the availability of some resources such as solar energy and wind energy is limited in Canada. Also, the climatic condition of Canada is not favorable for adopting some of the sustainable development goals. However, Canada is practicing some of the goals of sustainable development such as Goal 1 and Goal 4 that is proved to be beneficial for the country, but also the practicing of some of the goals have a great environmental and economic impact on the country. So at last, I just want to advise the Assembly that sustainable development is a good idea, but we also cannot neglect the problems of it. So what is necessary to understand is that it is a long-term process that requires significant time and resources. Hence, what we need to understand is that it is a long-term, what we need to understand is that it is, thank you.
I thank the distinguished representative of Canada. I now give the floor to the distinguished representative of Fiji.
Honorable Secretary General, Madam President, and all the delegates present here. A very warm and cheerful good morning to all of you. I, being the member of Fiji, want to share some points on the negative aspects of implementing sustainable development in Fiji. Madam President, while the idea of sustainable development is noble, we must acknowledge the challenges we face. Madam President, Fiji's economy, that is the backbone of our society, faces unique obstacles. Implementing sustainable